10 signs she's just not that into you. Stick around to find out the last and the most significantly important sign. We often find ourselves yearning for connection, seeking that special someone to share our lives with. It's crucial to recognize these signs of disinterest early on to protect yourself from emotional pain and disappointment. Throughout this video, we will discuss 10 specific signs that can help you identify when a girl is not reciprocating your feelings. Unequal texting. Communication is a fundamental pillar of any relationship, and texting has become the primary mode of staying connected in today's world. If you find yourself consistently texting a girl more than she responds, it often indicates a lack of interest on her part. Ask yourself, are you always the one initiating conversation? Are your messages met with short, infrequent replies? Don't mistake excuses of being busy as genuine reasons. If someone values you, they will make the time to communicate. By evaluating these patterns, you can better understand where you stand and make informed decisions about pursuing a deeper connection or moving on. Discussing other men. When a girl frequently discusses other men, it can be a significant indicator of her feelings towards you. Does she constantly compare you to other men, highlighting their supposed better qualities? Does she share intimate details about past relationships, leaving you feeling uncomfortable? These are not signs of a woman who sees you as a potential partner. Instead of investing more time and energy into someone who isn't reciprocating your feelings, it's wise to consider moving on. By acknowledging this sign, you can protect your emotional well-being and open yourself up to connections with those who genuinely value your presence. Pretending to be busy. When a woman consistently makes excuses or pretends to be busy, it speaks volumes about her priorities. A common tactic some women use is pretending to be busy or unavailable, which can manifest as feigning having a boyfriend or being preoccupied with other commitments. Ask yourself, does she always have a reason for why she can't meet? Does she cancel plans last minute, leaving you feeling disappointed? It's crucial to recognize these signs as indicators of disinterest rather than personal rejection. Instead of taking it personally, remind yourself that everyone has their own reasons for their actions. By acknowledging this behavior, you can focus on finding someone who genuinely values your time and attention, leading to healthier connections. Lack of curiosity. When we are attracted to someone, we want to know everything about them, their passions, their dreams, their fears. A lack of curiosity in conversations can be a clear sign of disinterest from a girl. If you notice that she rarely engages in deeper discussions or seems indifferent to your experiences, it may indicate low interest on her part. Do you find yourself doing most of the talking with little to no reciprocation? Does she seem disinterested when you share personal stories or achievements? Reflect on whether the dialogue feels one-sided or superficial. By recognizing these patterns, you can better understand her feelings and decide if it's worth pursuing a connection or if it's time to move on to someone who shows genuine interest. Frequent cancellations. Actions speak louder than words, and consistently canceling plans is a clear contradiction to any verbal expression of interest. If a girl consistently cancels on you, it may suggest that she does not prioritize spending time together. While everyone has busy lives, the effort to reschedule should ideally come from both sides. Patterns of flakiness can reveal a lack of commitment or genuine interest, which can be disheartening. Encourage yourself to evaluate these behaviors critically. Understanding the implications of canceled plans can help you make informed decisions about whether to continue investing in the relationship or to seek connections with those who value your time. Phone distractions. In today's digital age, it's easy to get caught up in the virtual world. However, when we are with someone, our attention should be on them, not on our devices. Constant phone distractions during conversations can signal a lack of interest and engagement. Is her phone always in her hand, even during intimate moments? Does she excuse herself to take a call repeatedly? It's essential to assess your interactions when you notice this pattern. Consider how often it occurs and whether it affects the quality of your conversations. Don't hesitate to leave the situation if you feel your time and attention are not being reciprocated, as you deserve to be with someone who prioritizes you. Geographical preferences. When it comes to matters of the heart, distance should not be a barrier to genuine connection. If a girl shows an unwillingness to travel to meet you, it often indicates low interest in pursuing a relationship. Many women prioritize their best options in dating, and if they are not willing to make an effort to see you, it may suggest that you are not among those top choices. A relationship requires effort and compromise from both parties. By acknowledging these patterns, you can focus on finding someone who appreciates you and is eager to make the relationship a priority, including friends in outings. When a girl consistently wants to include friends in your outings, it can signify a lack of interest in developing a deeper connection. Avoiding alone time together may indicate that she is not ready to engage in a more intimate relationship. Ask yourself, does she always invite her friends along even when you suggest a romantic dinner or a cozy movie night? Does she seem uncomfortable when it's just the two of you? If she prefers group settings over private moments, it may suggest she is not fully invested in exploring a romantic bond. Recognizing these dynamics can help you understand her feelings and decide if it's worth pursuing further. Lack of enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is contagious, and it's a telltale sign of genuine interest. When a girl responds to your invitations with indifference or minimal enthusiasm, it may suggest that she is not genuinely interested in spending time with you. Does she respond with a simple "okay" or "sure" when you propose an exciting date? Does she seem unenthusiastic when you share your passions or interests? Conversely, genuine interest is typically accompanied by eagerness and a positive response to plans. If she seems excited about the prospect of going out, it's a good sign that she values your company. By recognizing these cues, you can better gauge her feelings and make informed decisions about pursuing the relationship further. Physical boundaries. Physical touch is a powerful form of communication, and it speaks volumes about the level of intimacy and connection between two people. If a girl consistently maintains distance or seems uneasy when you try to get closer, it may suggest that she is not feeling a romantic connection. By being aware of these signs, you can better understand her feelings and navigate the dynamics of your relationship more effectively. Protect your heart. Choose wisely. Recognizing these signs early on can save you from unnecessary heartache and allow you to focus your energy on building genuine, fulfilling relationships. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video to stay updated on more insights to level up.